सो हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज हमारा फर्स्ट यूट्यूब वीडियो है। हम फर्स्ट यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाने जा रहे हैं। जैसे हम रीडर बनेंगे, हम यहाँ पर हमारी रोज़ रीडिंग्स की वीडियोस आएगी डेली। दो वीडियोस आएगी या एक वीडियोस आएगी, आप उस पर बने रहना। फर्स्ट बुक है हमारी द लॉज ऑफ ह्यूमन नेचर, द कॉन्सिक्वेंस और द कॉन्साइस ऑफ लॉज ऑफ ह्यूमन नेचर। देखिए यहाँ पर मैं अपने प्रोनाउंसिएशंस, रीडिंग्स, फ्लुएंसी यहाँ अच्छी करने के लिए यूट्यूब से वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। आपको जो भी लगे इसमें मैं सही कर सकूँ, आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ड्रॉप कर देना, पिन कर देना। बस मैं चाहता हूँ लाइक हम 21 डेज़ में बुक ट्राई करेंगे, लेकिन देखिए कि हम कितना रिमाइंड कर पाते हैं बुक को 21 डेज़ में कंप्लीट करके। सो देखिए बुक, सो स्टार्ट करते हैं हम। इंट्रोडक्शन से स्टार्ट करते हैं। If you come across any special traits of madness or stupidity, you must be careful not to let it annoy or distress you, but to look upon it merely as an addition to your knowledge, and in fact to be considered and study the character of humanity. Your attitude toward it will be that of the mineralogist who stumbled upon a very characteristic specimen of a minerals. Throughout the course of our lives, we inevitably have to deal with the variety of individuals, stir up the troubles, and make our life difficult and unpleasant. Some of these individuals are leaders or bosses, or colleagues, and some are friends. They can be aggressive or passive aggressive. They are generally master at playing on our emotions. They often appear charming and refreshingly confident, brimming with ideas and enthusiasm. We fall under the spell only when it's too late to do. We discover that confidence is irrational and their ideas is ill-convinced. Among colleagues, they can be those who sabotage our works or career of the secret enemy X cities to bring us down, or they should be colleagues or hired who reveal to our dismay that they are completely out of themselves, using as a stepping stone. What inevitably happens in this situation is that we are caught off guard, not expecting such behavior of this type will hit us with elaborate cover story to justify their action or blame handy. So scapegoat, they know how to confuse us, draw us into the drama they control. We might protest or become angry, but in the end we feel rather helpless. The damage is done. Then another such type enter our lives, and the same story repeats itself. We often notice similar sensation of confusion and helpless when it's come to ourselves and our own behavior. For instance, we suddenly say something that offend our boss, colleagues, or friend. We are not quite so sure of when it came from. We are frustrated to find that some anger and tension within has leaked out in the way that we regret or perhaps enthusiastically throughout our weight into some project or scheme only to realize it was quite foolish and a terrible waste of time. Or perhaps we fall in love with a person who is precisely the wrong type of us. We know we cannot help ourselves. What has come over us, we wonder. In this situation, we catch ourselves falling into the self-destructive pattern of behavior. We cannot seem into the control. It is as we harbor a stranger within, a little demon who operates independently our willpower and pushes us into now doing the wrong things. And this stranger within us rather weird, or at least weirder than how we imagine ourselves. What we can say about those things, people's ugly actions and our occasionally surprising behavior, is that we usually have no clues as to what happened them. We might latch on some simple explanation that person is able or sociopath or something came over me. I wasn't myself, but such bad description do not lead any understanding or prevent the same patterns from recurring. The truth is that we human lives on the surface, creating emotion or to people we say land, we form opinion or brothers ourselves, or rather simplify, we set up. Oh, sorry, we settle for the easiest and most convenient story to tell ourselves. What if, however, we could dive below the surface and see deep within, getting closer to the actual roots of what caused human behavior? What if we could understand why some people turn envious and try to sabotage our work, while their misplaced confidence, confident cause them imagine to themselves what like in infallibles? What if we could try fathom why people suddenly be like irrational and reveal a much darker side to their characters? Wait, why they are always ready to